Mix raisins with bananas and make this cake without sugar, without wheat flour, and without milk. In a blender, start by adding 3 eggs, add 4 already cut bananas, and 100 grams of raisins. We're going to cover it and let it beat really well. This one here is already the sweet spot. Let's move on to the larger container. Now let's add a cup of oatmeal. A tablespoon of cake yeast. And we mix it all together really well. This one is already the ideal point. Now we just have to take it, and let's move on to a platter or shape of your choice. After spreading it well and getting everything the same in the pan, we will take it to bake in the oven at 180 degrees, and we will leave it for 30 minutes or until golden brown. Look guys, how amazing this cake is. Super quick, easy, and delicious. And best of all, you can eat at your home's leisure. A cake that won't use sugar, won't use wheat flour, won't use any kind of fat, and will be lactose-free. And guys, I hope you enjoyed it. This was another recipe here from the Poor in the Kitchen. That big hug. See you next time, and it was worth it.